For today, we're going to have lunch at Shake Dog. What are we going to order? Papasok na tayo?
Wait.
Okay. So, ito yung kanilang mga meals. Ano yung sa'yo, Jail? What do you want? Para ready na tayo. Wow! Nuggets? Akala ko ba Shake Dog? Yeah, so we will... Okay. We're inside and we will be checking our menu, what to eat. So what you will order, ate? Ay, bebe.
Chicken nuggets and fries. Maybe
Which one? Nasaan? Oh, yeah. Chicken nuggets and fries. Saka ano sa'yo? KitKat? Shake na KitKat. You can eat that? All of it?
I did it before.
Okay. We'll have, I like it, but not today. I will have the bacon and cheese dog, and then you will have this one. I have my water, so it's okay? Yeah? Okay. So yun lang, ang order natin. Bacon and cheese dog, and then chicken nuggets, and shake, KitKat shake. Okay. Okay. That's it. While we're waiting for our food, nag-ano muna siya. KitKat shake. Yay! Masarap?
Yeah.
Okay, our order has arrived. Chicken nuggets as usual. Yeah. And mine is, ano to? Cheese, bacon and cheese hot dog. Okay, we're just going to eat. Tikman mo.
Only want this part.
Okay. Cut it with a knife. Nice. Okay, let's eat. Finish our lunch and now we're going to tour around inside. Next. Saan tayo lalabas? Saan tayo pupunta?
That's some hobbies.
Ay, hindi nga ibig sabihin lalabas pa tayo o on this side?
I don't know. Why? Just the exit.
O saan tayo pupunta?
Other side.
Sabi mo na sa Arts and Hobbies, o saan mo ako dinadala?
You were walking. And I thought you wanted to buy something. So I just
Hindi.
followed you.
Next na, akala ko dadaanan natin to.
Oh.
Anyway, so ito yung pinakamalapit na mall sa Shannon, tama ba?
No.
Anong pinakamalapit na mall sa Shannon?
Wait.
Yeah, this is Limerick.
This is Limerick.
Kaya nga. So, anong pinakamalapit na mall sa Shannon? Wala, ito. Diba? Crescent
I don't
lang.
know.
Crescent lang.
Okay.
Yung atin, yung mall natin sa Shannon is small mall.
Town center.
Town center. Pero ito yung medyo malaking mall na malapit sa Shannon, which is 15 minutes away lang sa Shannon. So, tingin-tingin pa kami kung anong mabibili namin. Pupunta daw kami sa Arts and Hobbies.
Yeah.
Bibili kami ng slime. Slimy to the moon. Okay. Bye. We bought our share here and Skechers and hindi pala Skechers, Nike and Adidas. So now we're going to Art and Hobby.
Which one's cute?
Which one?
It's just white.
Okay. Kasi dami ng kulay white.
So yeah, this one.
Okay, magko-concentrate muna siya kung anong bibilhin niya. You're so cute.
Amazing!
Yay! And then later, babayaran na lang namin. Slimy to the moon. This is the one?
Yeah, I have too much pink.
Okay. Tapos na kami bumili ng aming slime. Ayan na siya, binubuksan na niya. Masyado siyang excited. Ewan ko sa kanya. Ay, dito na lang yung basura. Hindi na siya makapagpigil, makapag-wait sa bahay.
No.
Doon ka na lang magbukas pag nandun na tayo nakaupo.
Why?
Yeah.
Fine.
We're done shopping. We're going to our meeting place, which is Bibi's. We're going to stay there and wait for our car.
Skibidi.
Skibidi. Ayan, so it's just enough time for us to walk going to our meeting place at Bibi's. And then my sister will pick me up there and then we'll go home. This is the end of our mini vlog for today. And say bye.